Okay, I need to sort all this out. The telephone wire is coming into here and I need to reroute it. It doesn't need to come in this way anymore. It's obviously previously where it was servicing other parts of the house. I'm also going to box in this end of the consumer unit here. Okay, let's get rid of these wires and I'll reroute them. Okay, that's all that off. Now just to fill the holes and the cracks. That's the hole filled, it now just needs to be sanded. Okay, I've rubbed down the radiator, ready for painting. Okay, I've painted the radiator. Close up, it's terrible, these bits are really bad. So what I've done is I've bought one of these and I'm going to try this out, just a mini sander, just to get in the gap. Tested it in this bit and it works really well. So let's see how that goes. Changed the attachment and put a wheel attachment on there. It's much better now. It's getting in the gaps well. Okay, that's better now. It's all sanded down, ready to paint. Okay, that's one coat of paint on and it's looking better already. You can see I do need to put another coat on. All the lumpy bumpy bits have gone, which is great. Just cut a template out of cardboard to offer this up to this section here to box it in. Okay, I've cut my template out. Now I'm going to use this bit of wood, I'll mark it up, cut it out with my jigsaw, then that will box that area in. Great, that works. I'll paint it up before I fit it. Well, that's all painted, but there's a big problem because there's a big gap in the floorboard here. So what I'm going to do is to order a new mat that is going to go across the whole area. Okay, those boards don't look very good, so I'll cover those up. Okay, I've got my new mat. I've just cut a bit off it. I am cutting it with a Stanley knife and using a straight edge. I'm going to measure it so it comes out about 85 centimetres from the door, and then I'll measure it across and then cut it in. Okay, that's marked up. You can only just see the line, but it's slightly lighter than the rest of it. Place this underneath. Okay, let's push it up and cut it in around the pipe there, and then around this section here. If you're going to measure it and then cut that in.